Today we're making homemade BBQ sandwiches, a staple for this summer. You'll need pulled pork or chicken, BBQ sauce, coleslaw, pickles, and fresh sandwich buns. Toss the pulled pork or chicken with your favorite BBQ sauce until well coated. Slice the sandwich buns and layer the BBQ meat, coleslaw, and pickles. Optionally, toast the sandwiches in a hot pan for a crispy, warm finish. Serve your homemade BBQ sandwiches hot, perfect for a summer meal. Try this delicious recipe and let us know your favorite summer BBQ ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes.